Hello everyone, this is Claire and Yuki. We would like to share our Corpus 8 lesson plan. Our focus is to teach students how to replace the overused vocabulary item in a specific context in order to demonstrate lexical variety in advanced writing tasks, such as an IELTS exam. To be specific, we have chosen people as the target word because we have noticed in our previous teaching practice that students tend to overuse the word people in their compositions, and this violates the exam requirements of demonstrating a wide range of lexical source. In addition, learners often find it difficult to substitute people with its near synonyms from their previous knowledge. Therefore, we think it is vital to conduct a vocabulary item to improve the lexical awareness of exam candidates with the help of corpus tool on this topic and help them make use of the corpus as a self-study tool. The target learners are the IELTS exam candidates. This is an 18-minute double lesson. The corpus used is B and C. By the end of this lesson, students are expected to complete 4 goals. First, master the near synonym of people. Second, replace people with its near synonym depending on the context. Third, master the multiple functions of corpus to find near synonyms and probe into the context-specific usage of the target word. Fourth, make use of corpus as an effective self-learning tool to avoid inappropriate lexical repetition and thus develop students' lexical resource. As you can see, the purpose of this teaching plan is beyond teaching the near synonym of people. The students are also expected to apply corpus skills to other overused words in their writing. We also hope that students are able and willing to explore more functions of corpus by themselves. Through this kind of inductive data-driven learning, learners can gradually expand their vocabulary bank and take context as a vital consideration when writing. Generally speaking, this lesson plan includes 4 stages and follows the sequence that Dr. Ma has introduced in the training workshop. First, at the knowledge texting and consciousness raising stages, the teacher will display a sample article which has too much repetition of the word people. Students are expected to spot the problem by some guiding questions in pair work. Secondly, at the hands-on corpus search stage, multiple functions of corpus will be introduced. The teacher will first introduce the basic functions of lists and sections. Then, the core functions to find the near synonym of this lesson will be covered. Similarly, the submenu functions of sections, especially in the academic context, will also be covered. Subsequently, students will be asked to observe the different frequency use of the target words people and public in different contexts. The compare functions and concordant lines will be recommended to make comparison of these 2 words in a particular context. In addition, the advanced functions of replacing the modifiers will also be introduced. Finally, as a brainstorming group activity, students are guided to summarize the benefits of the corpus compared with the use of a dictionary. This discussion can enable students to gain a deeper understanding of corpus as a self-learning tool and facilitate their application of corpus into their future language learning. Furtherly, at the semi-controlled practice and consolidation stage, students are asked to use the context-specific near synonym of people to substitute the word in the article presented in the first stage. With the help of the teacher's guidance and scaffoldings, they are expected to improve the lexical variety through pair and group work. At the final free output stage, students are required to modify another sample article in the IELTS writing task 1. First, they are supposed to analyze the article in terms of the lexical variety and find out the overused words. Then, They will use the corpus as a tool to find the near synonyms of the target vocabulary items that are used in the context. Finally, several students will be invited to share their findings and thoughts to the class. In this process, students are able to operate the corpus tool by themselves and also be more familiar with the functions introduced in the second stage. As mentioned before, in the teaching objective, we hope that this task will also facilitate learner autonomy and encourage students to apply the corpus tool to their daily vocabulary learning in the future. We hope this lesson plan can inspire your teaching. Thank you for your watching.